everyone. Now here I want to explain material about simple present tense, simple past tense, simple continuous tense, and passive voice. But before explaining it, let me introduce myself first. My name is Alia Rahman, Civil Engineering D3 Study Program from kelas 1 ISC. Explanation. Surely you are wondering what the present tense is. Present tense. Surely you are wondering what the present tense. Present tense in English is a grammatical term that refers to action, events, or situations that are happening at the current moment regularly or are universally true. It can also describe steps or conditions that are considered permanent or habitual. There are four main types of present tense in English: simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Each of these tenses has specific use and structure. Below is a detailed explanation of each type of present tense. Number 1. Simple present tense. The simple present tense is used to describe actions that occur regularly, habits, general truths, or permanent status. It is one of most commonly used tenses in English. Usage. Habit and routines. To describe that happen regularly or are part of daily routine. General truths. To express facts, laws of nature, or things that are universally true. Permanent states. To describe things that are permanent or not likely to change in the near future. Rumus present tense affirmative sama dengan subject plus base form of the verb atau S or S 14 person singular. Negatif sama dengan subject plus do atau do is plus not plus base form of the verb. Interrogative sama dengan do atau does plus subject plus base form of the verb. Number 2. Explanation present tense continuous. The present tense continuous tense atau also known as the present progressive tense is used to describe actions that are happening right now at the moment of speaking, or actions that are temporary. It can also be used for future plans or events that have already been arranged. I read book every day. Habit. Water boils at 100 Celsius general truth. She works in a bank, permanent state. He does not like coffee, negative. Do you play football? Question. You change. Action happening now. Sama dengan to describe something that is happening at the moment of speaking. Number two. Temporary action sama dengan to express action that are not permanent or are temporary in nature. Number 3. Future arguments sama dengan to talk about plans or events that are set for the future. Rumus. Affirmative subject plus am atau is dan bisa are plus verb ing. Negatif subject plus am bisa is atau juga are plus not plus verb ing. Interrogatif am atau is dan bisa juga are plus subject plus verb ing. Examples. She is reading a book right now. Action happening right now. They are studying for the exam. Temporary action. We are meeting John tomorrow. Future arrangement. I am not working today. Negative. Are you coming to the party? Question. Number 3. Explanation. Present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is used to describe action or events that occurred at an specific time in the past but have relevance or an effect on the present moment. It also indicates that something started in the past and continues up the present. Expressive present perfect tense usage unspecified time in the past sama dengan to talk about action that happened at some point in the past but are still important now. Life expressions sama dengan to express expression of or action happening in one's life at any time before the present. Action that continue from the past to the present to show that something started in the past and is still true now. Rumus. Affirmative sama dengan subject plus has atau have plus past participle. Negative subject plus has atau have plus not plus past participle. Examples. I have visited present 3 times atau expected in the past. She has lived in New York for 10 years. Action that started in the past and continues. They have finished their homework atau action that has relevance to the present. We have seen that movie yet atau negative. Number 4. Explanation: present perfect continuous tense. The present perfect continuous tense describes actions that began in the past and are still continuing in the present. It emphasizes the duration or ongoing nature of the action, and it can also describe actions that have recently stopped but have visible effects in the present. Explanation: present perfect continuous tense usage. Action that started in the past and continues the present to indicate that something started in the past and is still happening. Duration of an activity. To emphasize how long an action has been happening up until now. Recent action with visible results. To show that an action has just finished, but there is evidence or result in the present. Rumus. Affirmative sama dengan subject plus has atau have plus been plus verb ing. Negatif sama dengan subject plus has atau have plus not atau been plus verb ing. Interrogatif sama dengan has atau have plus subject plus been plus verb ing. Examples: I have been studying for 2 hours. Atau action that started in the past and is still continuing. She has been working at the company since 2015. Action that started in the past and continues to the present. They have been waiting for the bus for an hour. Atau duration, I have not been feeling well. Atau action with visible effect. Have you been working all day? Question. Conclusion. Understanding and using the correct form of the present tense is crucial for clear and accurate communication in English. Each form of the present tense has its own specific use based on whether the action is habitual, ongoing, finished with present relevance, or emphasizing duration. By mastering this tense, you can effectively express yourself if in both written and spoken English. Number 5. Passive voice is intention was subject is subject to an action of or activity. In Indonesian, passive voice or passive tense usually begin with the prefix ter or they. Passive voice is the opposite of active voice, which is a sentence with the subject doing an activity or action. For more details, see example settings below. The motorcycle is washed by Dad once a week. The motor is washed by Dad once a week. This sentence is specified because the subject of the motorcycle is subject to an activity, namely being washed by Dad. Rumus. Number 1. Simple present tense sama dengan object plus am is are plus next to quiz. Next to quiz. I run on Sunday morning. A. Morning. B. Love. The correct answer is love. The sentences are incomplete and lack context, making it difficult to determine the true meaning. However, based of the choice given, love is the most appropriate choice because it can be used to express feelings or emotion towards an activity such as running on Sunday morning. Thank you.